Updating your payout destination on Coinbase is essential for ensuring that your funds are sent to the correct account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open your web browser or the Coinbase app and log into your account using your email and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. On the website, this is usually found in the upper right corner under your profile icon. In the app, you may find it in the menu. Click on Settings to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Edit your payout destination. Find the payout destination you wish to update. There should be an option to edit or remove the existing payout method. Click on it and follow the prompts to enter your new payout information, such as bank account details or cryptocurrency wallet address. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, you should receive a confirmation that your payout destination has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Coinbase. Always double-check your new information to avoid any issues with future transactions.